Stay away from this. Stay away from this. Stay away from this. So yeah, I just bought an action camera for a very low price on a most unlikely place. Come check it out. So yeah, I just got this camera. It cost me 19.99, 19.99 euros. And I had nothing to lose about buying this camera. It's of this brand, an HK-Camera. I never heard of it, but maybe some of you here on YouTube are interested to know what you get for the price and how is the image quality of this camera. I'm still there to find out too, so we will find this all together, and we will see what you get on the package. The package itself, it's quite nice if you ask me. For 19.99, the pouch itself probably is already worth €5 or something of that kind. So it's already a win in my book, and you get all of this. Okay, so you get all of this stuff with it. So I guess that's the model number. So it's HK-Kit-1080-AL. And there's also more information there. Kit camera action, full HD 1080p with accessories and pouch and transport pouch. You have also here some images with all the stuff that's included. You cannot see it very well, but I can just let you know. And of course, we will open the package. You have also there a features list. If you want to pause the video here, let me see if I can make it a little bit clearer. Yeah, it's kind of it's in English and it's Portuguese. Yeah, so it has Wi-Fi, waterproof, LCD screen, 2-inch LCD screen, which is quite nice. Usually low-cost action cameras do not include LCD screens. 12 megapixel photo mode, 1080p 30, I40 lens, battery, and 7 accessories. So it's a transport pouch, waterproof case, a buoy. What? Support something. Support. Oh yeah, something to put on our helmet. I was kind of lost now. Support for wheel. Yeah, wheel support for bikes and motorbikes. Clip. Chains, second clip, blah 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 blah. Oh my god, and all of that stuff. So I'll just open this. Let me see what you get. Again, let me just remind you guys, this was 19.99. So 19.99. So the pouch itself, it's already worth the value. So I'll just keep talking while I'll open this, because this is going to be a very simple video with minimal editing, just so you guys see what you get for the price. If you happen to come across a similar thing, so just as a reminder, so this is the HK-Kit-1080-AL. Not sure if that's the exact model number. Well, you can see the, if you wish, the focus camera, this part there. So again, this is just the insert or the outside. We get the pouch. So the pouch itself can be used for this or anything else, of course. And the pouch itself, it's hard. So this is worth at least $5 already, right? So let's open this and let's keep going. Get some space. What you get? Oh my god! So you have the floating device. You have a bunch of accessories so to hang this up. This is part of the floating device here. This is for hanging the camera like this, and it's floating while you do stuff, which is quite funny. Then you have this. I have to remove this so it fits on the case. So if you want to check it out, it looks like this. Bunch of stuff. Again, the pouch itself, it's already worth of the money. I have a bunch of mounting accessories for helmets, for wheels of cars and bikes and motorbikes. You have the waterproof case. You have a cleaning cleaning cloth, microfiber, zip ties. It's kind of nice. Well, the micro USB cable, which is also handy. It's always handy. You have another. Oh, you have the case here, and the camera itself is inside the case. So you have the waterproof case. Let me leave this for the end. Bunch of stuff here. Really, really nice. I'm not sure what this is. This is kind of looks like the back side of the waterproof case. They said it is back protection. It's already there. So you get an extra back protection. I'll take it. It's fine. Oh, Jesus. Things are flying away. 1 second. I'm back. Like I said, minimal editing this time. Okay, this is the camera. I'll leave this for the end. And you have here on the pouch a bunch of moto accessories. Helmets, screw thingamajiggies, another mounting option, another mounting option for a tripod. I have this thing. It's for a tripod mount. You can screw it on a regular tripod. Come on, don't drop everything in the floor. This is not for the tripod. I'm dropping everything. Bands, straps. The tripod option is quite nice to have. You can mount it. I'm sure it had a tripod mount on the camera itself. A bunch of stuff, dude. I mean, this is well worth the money. Jesus, I cannot show you everything individually, but you have a bunch of stuff. Mainly mounting options, USB cables, straps, and the floating device there. Quite nice. I mean, this is already worth the money just by that. And let's see the main event here. So you have the camera only waterproof. You cannot. This does not have per se. It's not by itself. What you call it, tripod friendly, but you can adapt this with one of the adapters that it comes with the bag. Let's open this, if I remember correctly. So apparently I don't remember how to open these cases. Do you need to slide this to the side? Wow. Wasn't this just a matter of well, I have to edit this now to get off this part. I'll try to open the case and I'll get back to you. Okay, it's easier than it seems. I'm stupid, basically. You have this thing here. Let me see if we can show you. You have to slide it to the side, and then you pop it from the front, and this opens. It's easier than it seems. I'm just kind of dumb. So let's remove the camera from inside. Well, it's stuck in here quite good. So the case looks to be quite nice. So this is what you get. This is the action camera itself. It's always handy to have an action camera at hand. So I'm just going to remove the protectors. You see that it has a protector on the lens and has a protector on the back screen. So this is nice to have a back screen. It's kind of hard to show you in full detail without any glare. And the camera itself. Okay, you have here some knobs on the sides, SD camera slots, USB slots, and I don't see an HDMI plug. Come on, I'm losing everything. I'm dropping everything. Okay, you have the battery here. I was hoping that this had HDMI, but it doesn't. But it has Wi-Fi. But we can use Wi-Fi. Does it have a battery charge? Yes, the battery has some charge. Let's see. because what you guys want to see is the actual quality of the image quality, right? So I don't see an HDMI out, which is, I was hoping it had, but it doesn't. But it has Wi-Fi, so maybe we can capture through Wi-Fi, which is good enough. Okay, let's try this to power it on. I do not know if it has a charge. Okay, it doesn't have a charge, which is, it's okay. I mean, it's fine. So I will charge this up, get an SD card, and record some footage with it, and I'll add it to this video right now. At this point, review the footage yet? Okay, this is me talking over this video. This is me giving the camera the best chance possible. It's on its highest, whatever bit rate. I don't have to choose it. You cannot choose it. The highest resolution possible. Maybe in the YouTube video it looks better, but it sucks. It's really bad. Stay away from this camera. It's a devil. Let me show you an indoor sample. So this is the same camera, but now I look like shit. But I'm not a beautiful person. But the image quality is crap. The audio is crap. So if you want some recommendations on me, I have seen quite a few action cameras. Stay away from this. You are better off buying a Xiaomi Yi, that white camera that was the first GoPro killer. That camera still rocks, still works really great. Image quality, it's part to none for the price range that it had, and you can have it nowadays for really cheap, and you can basically use the same accessories. So unless you want to use that money for the accessories, because I think $19.99 for the accessories, maybe it's acceptable. The pouch and all the mounting options and the waterproof case, if it's compatible with your current camera, maybe, but still stay away. This camera sucks. The audio, it's bad. It has my thumbs down on the buying recommendation. Stay away from this. Cheers. I can subscribe. Well, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions about the HK-Kit-1080-AL, which is this action camera. You just saw some example footage of it in a few seconds before. Let me know if you have any questions. I haven't seen the footage yet, so you will see it before me, I guess. And yeah, let me know what you think. I think and unless the image quality is completely trash, which I don't believe it is, it should be acceptable. Stay away from this. 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 For $19.99, with all the stuff you get, I think we have here a possible winner. Stay away from this. But I will add some comments during the image footage while I'm showing the image footage a few seconds before this outro, and I'll share with you my thoughts during that. After saying that, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Ask any questions if you have any, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.